Imagine being able to quickly extract key information from lengthy medical articles or research papers, saving you hours of time and effort. ChatDoc makes it easy to get the information you need when you need it. Welcome back to AI Physician. Today we have an exciting update on ChatDoc, the AI-powered virtual assistant that's transforming the way we approach medical literature. In addition to PDF summarization, reading, analysis, and questions and answers, ChatDoc can now also extract data from tables. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start by taking a look at ChatDoc. You can access it at ChatDoc.com. Here, you can upload a PDF document by simply dragging and dropping it, or clicking to upload from your file system. I have already uploaded a document called Early Remdesivir to prevent progression to severe COVID-19 in outpatients from the New England Journal of Medicine, with the uploaded document displayed on the left-hand side and the question panel on the right-hand side. First, we're going to start by asking ChatDoc for a summary of the PDF. As you can see, it provides a detailed summary of the PDF. If you hover over the pages, you can see the data it's summarizing, including tables. I can ask it more specific questions, such as summarizing adverse events, and it can even read the adverse events table. I can also ask it to summarize the primary efficacy and secondary endpoints by having it read all of the data. Let me show you a really useful tool. You can actually select the table you want to query or ask questions about, and then just click the button that says Select Freely and Ask Instantly, automatically. It will load the table, and now you can ask it questions, such as comparing patients with chronic lung disease between both groups. As you can see, it says that it read the table and found 24% of patients with chronic lung disease in one group versus 24% in the other group. And I can ask it to analyze it. It says there was no significant difference in the prevalence of chronic disease between the groups. Then, I can go ahead and ask it to tell me the take-home points from this article, and it provides them to me. Here we have it. This can be immensely valuable for researchers, clinicians, and students who need to analyze data quickly and accurately. I've been using ChatDoc for my research work, and the new table data extraction feature has been a game changer. It saves me a ton of time and effort in analyzing complex data sets. As a best practice, always verify the summary and data for validity, and refrain from making any medical decisions until you have thoroughly reviewed and verified the information. Isn't that amazing? ChatDoc's table data extraction feature opens up a whole new world of possibilities for analyzing and interpreting data from medical literature. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay ahead in your field and make data-driven decisions with ease. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you're as excited as I am about ChatDoc's new table data extraction feature. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content. And, as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.